First of all, identify the topics which regularly come up for the long questions, that's section C, and those typically include elements of the consolidated financial statements, going from a trial balance to a standalone statement of financial position or income statement, and cash flow as well as ratio analysis. So as long as you know the framework which you are supposed to use to solve those questions, you should be perfectly fine in section C. Now when it comes to the remaining topics, and this is my tip number 2, please spread your studies extremely widely. Anything can come up here in section A and B, so the clue here is not to get stuck on any single topic too much. Do more topics, but not in so much detail, as opposed to getting stuck into one thing and mastering it completely. And finally, a lot of people get exemptions from the financial accounting paper, which is the lower level financial reporting exam. And if you are in that situation, you may be worried that something which will be holding you back at this level, that's financial reporting, is your lack of knowledge of debits and credits, so double entry, which you may not have a full mastery of. Don't worry, financial reporting is very rarely about debits and credits, so please do not enter your studies of this paper, of this exam, with any worries about this.